Standard 8 Maths Chapter 14 Factorization. Hello everyone. So far we have discussed factorization using common factor methods or using regrouping method. Now we will discuss how to factorize using basic identities. Like in chapter 9 I have explained some common identities which were as follows. So the first identity was a plus b whole square. So it was equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the second identity was a minus b whole square. It was a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third was a plus b into a minus b. It was a square minus b square. There is one third identity also which was x plus a into x plus b. This was x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So we will discuss it separately. Okay. Now what we will be given? We will be given some expression in these forms, and we have to convert into these forms. Okay. So in order to do this, we have to quickly recall these square terms. We have to identify these square terms properly, then we will convert it into this either a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form or a square minus b square form. So this will see with the help of an example, like example 4. Example 4. So this is x square plus 8x plus. So questions will be given in these expression, these quadratic equation form. So we have to identify the squares of this. So this 16, this x square can be written as x whole square. Clear? Now this 16 is what? This is a square of 4, or it can be written as 4 into 4, or it is 4 square. So what was the formula? This was x square, that is a square means x square, plus 2 into a. In place of a we have x, in place of b we have 4, okay, plus b square, that is 4 square. So does it satisfy the equation? This was x square, this was 416, and this was 2 into 4, 8 into x. So it was same. So this equation we have rewrite is at this form. Now this we have a square, we have 2ab, and we have b square. So what it was? A plus b whole square. What was a? This is x, and plus 4. It was this was b. So it comes out to be x plus 4 whole square, or we can write x plus 4 into x plus 4. Okay, we have to convert this into this form, these type of forms. Okay. So now next example. Next example is example 5. It is 14y 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Now this 4y, it can be written as 2y whole square. Okay, because 4y square is 2y into 2y. This is 2 into 2, 4, and y into y will be 4 square. So these two are equal. So we can rewrite it as 2y whole square. Now this 9. This 9 is nothing but 3 into 3, or this is square of 3. So it is written as 3 square. Now this 12y, how we can write? This is 2 into a. This is 2y into b. This is 3. So it is 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 or y. So this equation is equal to this. So we have just modified this equation. So it will become a minus b whole square. What is a? This is 2y minus b. This is 3. So it will become 2y minus 3 whole square. So I hope things are getting clear to you. Now next example, this is example 6. Okay, this is 49 p square minus 36. Now this is 49 is square of 7. So 49 can be written as 7 into 7. So this 49p square we can write as 7p into 7p. You can multiply 7 to 7, 49, p into p will be p square. So this 49p square we can write as 7p whole square minus this 36 is square of 6, 6 into 6. So this is written as 6 into 6. Now we have a square, we have b square. What was the formula? A plus b, that is 7p plus 6 into a minus b. This is 7p minus 6. Clear? Now next example, example 8. We'll take example 7 later. This is m raised power 4 minus 256. Now m raised power 4. How we are going to write this? M raised power 4. Can we write it as m square into m square? Clear? So it is nothing but m square whole square. Okay, in place of m raised power 4, we can write as m square whole square. Now this 256 is a square of 16. You can multiply and check the things. So this is square of 16. Clear? Now what we can do? This is we have a. In place of a we have m square. In place of b we have 16. So we can write as m a plus b, that is m square plus 16 into a minus b, that is m square minus 16. So this is perfectly okay. We are not this is not forming an identity further, but this m square is minus 16. Now m square is square of m, so m into m, and this 16 is 4 into 4. So this expression or this particular expression can be reduced further, can be factorized further. It can be written as this is m square minus 4 square. So this is again forming a square minus b square. So what it becomes? M square plus 16. It can be written as m plus a plus b, that is m plus 4 into a minus b, that is m minus 4. So this is the final factorized form of this expression. We have to check whether there is coming any square or any identity again or not. So we have to do a factorize accordingly. Now example 7. What is example 7? So example 7 is a square plus minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Now look, this is a type of regrouping where we have to rearrange, we have to group some particular terms. Now we can take these three terms together and these three terms together. Now what is the identity? This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is nothing but a minus b whole square. Okay. This is minus c square. Now we have a square complete and b square complete. In place of a, what we have? A minus b. So this is nothing but of the form a square, or we can say x square plus x square minus a square. This is x plus y into x minus y. In place of x we have this a minus b. In place of y we have this c. So what was the form? X plus y. This is x, it means a minus b plus c, and x minus y. This is a minus b minus c. Okay. So this was supposed to be the now how we are going to factorize the form x plus a into x plus b. So this we will check in our next video, and we will start with exercise 14.2 in our next video. Thank you.